Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel again. This is James. In this little mini series, I head out to California to help my little sister Sarah on her 40-foot Norseman, the Blue Moon. We got about 5 days worth of work done at the yard. The guys were really great and super helpful with everything. Say hi, Sarah. And this episode is going to focus on getting it hauled out, the hull sanded, and getting this rudder out of the boat. If you're interested, stay tuned.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails.
What's up? You ready to do this?
Alright. Well, that stunk.
Yeah, nice.
Little fluid leaking out of the engine.
Right? Nothing like a little fluid leak.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah, right.
I don't care about that. I don't want your engine over. That's what's good. That's better.
So check this thing out. The thing this boat is sitting on is its cradle that goes on a 400-foot yacht. And I guess the guy sold the yacht and kept this boat. It's a hydrofoil cat. Pretty nuts. They said it's sitting here for 2 years. There she is. Alright, well, we're on the boat.
The work begins.
Let the work begin. So we're in this pretty cool yard, super friendly guys. And like what Sarah was just saying, this one here, very competent yard. They got a lot going on here. And they're letting us stay on the boat. Whereas some of the other yards we called, we couldn't stay on the boat. So it would have cost us a lot more to get hotels and just the logistics and whatever. So like we just plugged in, so we got power. They got bathroom showers, so oh yeah. Let's do this. Alright, so Sarah's already putting me to work. Hi, Sarah. Hi. I'm laying down in the hole here. The first thing on the list is this rudder is not budging, so I'm gonna unhook the autopilot, make sure that's not what's causing it, and then we'll just work our way till we figure it out. But we're kind of guessing that it's that, because that looks nasty and it's wet. So I'm thinking there's water leaking through there, and that bearing or bushing or whatever is there, some sort of bushing I'm sure, is seized up. And she's getting it off the shaft. It's got a big slot there.
It's like
Cutter. There we go, sweet. And then it's gonna be kind of stuck on this keyway, I think, here.
whoa.
Alright, there's that part. Oh, keyway just came right out too, sweet. Alright, well, that part's done. I would hate to take that off there and then have water come gushing through or something, you know. It's only 3 bolts. We could loosen the bolts just to make sure they come loose, and then kind of tighten them back up, you know what I mean? And then let's work on the top part. Alright, we're gonna fire up the beast. Wow. Huh? What do you mean, no coolant in it? Yeah, that's empty up there. Bye, Sarah. Oh, the boat life. Break out another 1,000. Look at this beautiful Grand Banks. Holy crap, this thing's nice. That thing is sweet. Yeah, this isn't nerve-wracking at all, Sarah. Watching your boat get hauled out of the water by a big, giant, weird crane thing.
And I really don't know where things are popping through the bottom.
Well, it's got a mark. It had a mark, a little teeny tag that said sling on it. And that was where they decided to. So, see right to this side of that green line there? Here comes the... Take a look at this bottom here, Sarah.
It's gonna be ugly.
It's gonna be ugly. There she comes.
I got like my rudder and my prop.
Yeah. Off it goes.
There she goes.
Yeah, like see how close the rudder is to the hull? Like any barnacle growth there could be like stopping it too from...
Terrible. It's not good. I didn't see a lot of hard growth like crustaceans and stuff.
Yeah. You think any water's draining out of there? Oh boy. Yeah, here's your water intake. So, I mean, I don't know if it's this one. It's broke. So you're gonna need a new one of those. Yeah. I think that's why you're probably overheating a little bit. Yeah, I'm moving another one over there right now. There it goes. We are officially on the heart. Look at this beauty. drop this rudder. We're gonna take that bottom shoe off of there. We're all up on the hard. Cannot get this girl to come out. We've been hammering, wedging. This is had a big cast bottom block on here, but she won't turn, won't come out. Well, I didn't get any video of that, but boy, did not want to come out. Wow. Nice job, Jose.
Oh, well, easy.
Cutting off the bearing. This dude is kicking ass. He's already sanded. He's already sanded half this side of the boat already in about 45 minutes. Good, Jose. Nice going, lady. Yeah. Look at that bearing. Holy moly. The sea is just not friendly to metal things. Wow.
Told you it was a little hard to turn.
Yeah. Turning real good there.
Is that a corner piece? Wow, I'm not so late. I was just pointing that out, Jimmy.
Yeah.
I need them too, man. Look, I'm getting raw over there.
You've been rubbing it raw over there. Yeah, so this is
like boat Christmas.
They're not polished though. I didn't have a way to polish them, but so if they got a polisher here, we could maybe have them polished. See how I did. Ooh.
Like a glove.
Needs to be hammered there a little bit, but not too bad. Alright, it's Friday morning and I popped quite the hole in my pants, my work pants. So good thing we're on a sailboat with sewing stuff. So I'm gonna do myself a sew job here. At that, I am a pro. My work jeans are back in effect. Let's get some work done. Sarah.